Hey everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Lore. In today's video, I'll guide you through setting up a Shopify store for your jewelry brand. Be sure to watch the full video so you don't miss any important steps. Let's get started. Step 1. Sign up for Shopify. Go to shopify.com and click Start Free Trial. Enter your email, create a password, and name your store. Once done, access your Shopify dashboard. Step 2. Choose and customize a theme. Go to Online Store Greater Than Themes and choose a design that matches your jewelry brand. Use Shopify's theme editor to customize colors, fonts, and layouts for a professional look. Step 3. Add jewelry products. Navigate to Products greater than Add Product and enter details like product name, description, price, and high-quality images. Organize products into collections like rings, necklaces, and bracelets. Step 4. Set up payments and shipping. Go to Settings greater than Payments and enable Shopify payments or other options like PayPal or Stripe. Then, set up shipping rates based on location and weight. Step 5. Launch and promote your store. Preview your store, test the checkout process, and click Publish when ready. Use social media, influencers, and ads to attract customers and grow your jewelry brand. Outro. That's it. You've successfully set up a Shopify store for your jewelry brand. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tutorial Lore for more e-commerce tips. See you in the next one.